It was looking as if, the Mumbai police and Ria are acting in tandem, which means the whole idea was to somehow give her a complete clean chit. And they were going on a wild goose chase and not going, against the real culprit. They were aware of the real culprit, according to us, right from the beginning.
When did Sushant's father approach you to take up this case?
So he decided to take up about 7, 8 days back when he came to me. And basically, he was, he was in mourning for about 40 days. We have a mourning in behalf 40 days. So during this mourning period, he was seeing what all was happening in Mumbai, and they were going on a wild goose chase and not going, against the real culprit. And they were aware of the real culprit, according to us, right from the beginning. We had also said that people who are with her and who have been taking care of her medical condition should be the ones should be questioned. And simultaneously, Ria also was saying that let us go for a CBI inquiry. So it was looking as if, the Mumbai police and Ria are acting in tandem. They are not, accusing her, and she is asking for a CBI inquiry. So that means the whole idea was to somehow give her a complete clean chit, and the matter is given a complete quietus. So at that stage, when he came to me, and since no FIR had been registered in Mumbai, so I said that we should get it registered in Patna, because in criminal jurisprudence, the FIR can be registered wherever even a part of the cause of action has arisen. And in Patna, the father was living. He's suffering the consequences of the death because mother is not there. He's the only one, really speaking, suffering the consequence. And secondly, the offence of abetment to suicide is not an offence committed over in a day or two, or it's an event which happens by controlling the mind of the person who ultimately commits this, who takes this step. So in that process, what she did was she distanced him from the family, and especially from the father. And she didn't allow the father. She didn't take his calls. Didn't allow him to talk to him. Even if he tried to talk to him through the bodyguard, even that phone was not allowed to be given to Sushant. So the first step in this conspiracy was to make him distant from the family who could counsel him in these troubled times, and then slowly declare him a mental case, and then take him to all kinds of doctors and overdrug him, etc. And then remove the servants and remove the bodyguard. So it was a very it was an event which happened over a long period of time. And according to me, part of the cause of action definitely has arisen in Patna. So Patna had the authority to register the FIR.
When you guys saw that Mumbai police is not acting accordingly, why didn't you approach Mumbai police?
If we were to say that Mumbai police, knowing very well that she is the prime accused, and knowing very well that she needs to be interrogated, if the Mumbai police, we had given this complaint to Mumbai police, and they had, with their own, oblique intention, if they had said that they have interrogated Ria and there is nothing, and she was madly in love with him, and etc., and filed a closure report, where would we have been? So the investigation can't be done by us. So there was no point of going to a institution. I'm not talking about the entire Mumbai police, but at least the people who are handling Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So as far as the persons who are handling this case is concerned, there was no sort of faith in them to do an impartial investigation. So that is the reason why we went to Patna.
According to Supreme Court, there has to be a clear evidence of an intent to make a person kill themselves. Just cruelty, confinement, etc., not enough to prove amendment of suicide. So what do you have for specific intent? What did you submit as evidence to the cops?
So, well, these are things, I would not like to comment now, because these are things which will come out in the trial. And this is something which has to be, let all the evidence come first. But to just give us few pointers. So what she did was that over a period of time, she was looking after all his medical issues, taking him to the doctor. She was the only person who knew what treatment was being done to him. She had cut off all contacts with the family. And 8th of June, suddenly, knowing that she is the only person who knows how to, take care of him, she, left him abruptly. and did not share the medical details with anybody in the family, didn't call anybody in the family and said that, look here, this person is in bad shape, I can't live with him, but please take care of him. These are his medicines, that is how he used to be. Or this is the so-and-so doctor. So she didn't call anybody from the family. When she left, then Sushant called his sister who lived in Mumbai. On that very day, that sister came and lived with him for 4 days, tried to console him, but she had no clue of what medicine, etc. So they kept calling Ria. She never picked up. She had blocked him, so the call never went through. Then she had her own daughter, school-going daughter. So she had to go back to her own home after 4 days, and she left on the 12th and 14th. This incident happened. So there is direct evidence of her complicity in his abetment to suicide. So I don't see much of a problem in the Supreme Court judgment that you're referring to.
So all this drama that has been happening. So what do you have to say about that? All that has been Bollywood mafia, this person, that person.
Well, that is why the case at Patna, it was not going in the right direction. We are not saying that he may not have been victimized or he may not have faced because this parivarvad, so to say, in Mumbai. We are not saying that. That may have happened. But that, according to us, is not the prime cause of the death. That may have contributed, but that could not be the prime cause of the death. So that could have been part of the overall inquiry. We don't have any objection to that, and that should now come to the Patna police, and they look into that aspect as well. But that can't be the prime cause. Prime cause was this only.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.